Hello, little Zoolin explorer. Today, we're going on an adventure into the wild to meet a fascinating and super clever friend from the animal kingdom, the amazing raccoon. Get ready to discover one of nature's most curious critters. Are you excited? Let's go! Raccoons are furry, medium-sized mammals that live all across North America, from the warm forests of the south to the cooler cities in the north. They are incredibly adaptable. A grown-up raccoon can be about 2 to 3 feet long, and that includes their beautiful, bushy, ringed tail. They typically weigh between 15 and 20 pounds, which is about the same as a small dog. Their most famous feature is the black mask across their eyes. It makes them look like little bandits, but it actually helps them see better at night by reducing glare. And look at their hands. They have 5 long, nimble fingers on each front paw, which are almost like tiny human hands. This helps them open things, climb, and grab their food. Raccoons are not picky eaters at all. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals in the wild. They love to munch on nuts, berries, and fruits. They'll also hunt for insects, frogs, fish, and even crayfish in streams and ponds. You might have heard that raccoons wash their food. What they're actually doing is called dousing. Their paws are super sensitive, and dipping them in water makes them even more sensitive, helping them feel and understand what they're about to eat. It's like they're gathering extra information with their fingertips because they are so adaptable. They've also learned to live near people in suburbs and cities, where they sometimes get a little mischievous and explore our trash cans for a quick snack. That's why it's always important to make sure our garbage lids are on tight. Now, for some super fun facts. Did you know that raccoons are fantastic climbers and strong swimmers? They can climb headfirst down a tree, which is a rare skill in the animal world. They do this by rotating their hind feet almost 180 degrees. How cool is that? Another amazing thing is their intelligence. Scientists consider raccoons to be incredibly smart. They can remember solutions to problems for up to 3 years. That's a better memory than some of us have for our homework. They also make a lot of different sounds. Raccoons don't just chitter. They can purr, growl, hiss, and even whistle. They have a whole language of their own to communicate with each other, especially with their babies, which are called kits. A mother raccoon is very protective and will teach her kits everything they need to know to survive on their own. Although they might look cuddly and cute, it's very important to remember that raccoons are wild animals. We should always admire them from a safe distance and never try to touch or feed them. They have their own wild lives to live, and the best way we can help them is by respecting their space and keeping their natural habitats clean and safe. This means not littering and being mindful of the environment we all share. Raccoons play a vital role in their ecosystem by helping to spread seeds from the fruits they eat and by controlling populations of insects and small rodents. They are nature's little gardeners and pest controllers all in one. And that wraps up our adventure with the clever and crafty raccoon. What a truly remarkable animal. They teach us so much about being resourceful, intelligent, and adaptable. We hope you had as much fun as we did learning all about them. What was your favorite raccoon fact? Thank you so much for joining us today, Zoolin Explorers. If you enjoyed our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another animal adventure. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you next time for another trip into the wonderful world of animals with Zoolin. Bye for now!